Good Thursday morning, all. I hope you had a great Wednesday. Check out the problem to solve on Seesaw for Thinking Cap Thursday and be ready to share at 8:30. In math today, we will be splitting again into three groups. I'm going to have three groups now. Remember, you must show your work in your math. At 10:45, we will have Miss Rowland's group, which is Tiziana, Anastasia, and Muddy Paws. Go to her channel, and the rest of the class will do a read aloud called Darkness into Light. At 11:45, we will all meet as a whole group to read the rest of How Night Came from the Sea. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.